Welcome back viewers. Now we are going to see how to add the products and how to do the checkout. Let us say go to pens and click the subcategory. You can choose any pens. Let us say I am choosing this particular type of pen, this one and this one. And immediately you will see a message on the top of the header. It is showing the pins were added and shopping cart is enabled. Here also you can see the shopping cart. Two numbers of product is added in the shopping cart. You can click here or you can click here. Go to shopping cart. You can see the pins. Here you can alter the quantity, update, and if the requested quantity is not available, you will get message like this. So if the quantity is there, and the quantity will be updated once you click the update button, and you can go to view and edit cart. Here also you will get an option to edit the quantity, and once you edit the quantity, please don't forget to click update shopping cart. Okay, if you want to estimate the shipping prices, you can enter the pin code here. Let us say you are going for a Mumbai. If the product is going for Mumbai, let me take some random pin codes and you can see the difference in cost. Let me take 4001, 400001. Let me put it here. Let me select the state as Maharashtra and 400001. Immediately the shipping cost will be visible here. So the pen price and the tax involved, since it is an other state, the IGST comes into picture, and you are getting two options. One is free shipping because the total product value goes above 1000 rupees. So for all the customers, free shipping is enabled default by default. Or else you can choose your desired shipping method, and you can go to proceed checkout. If you go to proceed checkout, you will get three options. Let us select the free shipping first, and let us select the shipping address. Yes, we have three options of payment. One is the direct cash deposit. If you don't have any Google Pay, or if you don't have any credit card or debit card, you simply click direct cash deposit. The account number is visible here, and the same will be mailed to you also after placing the order. So you can do the bank deposit, and if you intimate us through email or by WhatsApp, and we will process the order. Or else if you select PayPal, and this is for international payments, you can do that one. And within India, for domestic payments, you can very well choose Razorpay. So your billing shipping address is mentioned here. If you click Razorpay, what will happen? You will get multiple payment options. You can pay by credit card, or you can use UPI. You can use net banking. If you want to avail EMI, depending on the on your credit cards offers, you can go for EMI, or else you can use with wallet, and you will have multiple options. So click the options, make the payment, and after making the payment, please wait for some time. uh, the site will be redirected to our page, and you will get the payment confirmation. So likewise, you can add the products, you can add and edit the products in the cart, and as well as you can do the checkout using this three payment options. Hope you are clarified now. Even if you have any questions regarding this, you can please call us or make the query in WhatsApp. Definitely we will respond to you.